Hi everyone, welcome back to Crypto Horizon, your go-to channel for all things crypto. Today we're diving into an in-depth review of Coinex, one of the leading cryptocurrency exchanges. We'll cover its features, security, fees, and more. And don't forget, if you decide to sign up, use our referral code g69h3 for exclusive bonuses. Let's get started. First, let's talk about Coinex itself. Founded in 2017, Coinex has quickly become a significant player in the cryptocurrency market. With a mission to provide a secure and efficient trading environment, Coinex offers a variety of services tailored to both new and experienced traders. Coinex operates globally, providing access to users in multiple countries. Their mission is to make cryptocurrency trading accessible and user-friendly for everyone. Whether you're a beginner or a pro, Coinex has something to offer. Now let's dive into the key features and services that Coinex offers. Coinex supports a wide range of cryptocurrencies, from Bitcoin and Ethereum to the latest altcoins. Whether you're into spot trading, futures, margin trading, or even staking, Coinex has got you covered. Coinex Earn allows you to stake your coins and earn interest, and the Coinex Launchpad provides early access to promising new projects. These features make Coinex a versatile platform for all types of traders. Security is a top priority for Coinex. They use two-factor authentication, cold storage for the majority of funds, and regular security audits. Plus, they have an insurance fund to cover any potential breaches, which adds an extra layer of protection. Recently, Coinex has upgraded its asset security system, enhancing its overall protection measures. This commitment to security helps build trust and ensures that your funds are safe. Next, let's talk about trading fees. Coinex offers competitive fees starting at just 0.1%. You can further reduce these fees by using their native token. Compared to other major exchanges, Coinex's fees are very competitive, which is great for maximizing your returns. They also have low withdrawal and deposit fees, making it an attractive option for traders of all sizes. The user interface on Coinex is designed to be intuitive and user-friendly. The website and app are easy to navigate, with all the tools you need right at your fingertips. Whether you're a beginner or a pro, you'll find the platform straightforward and efficient. User feedback often highlights the ease of navigation and the powerful trading tools available. The mobile app is particularly well designed, allowing you to trade on the go with ease. Customer support is another crucial aspect, and Coinex doesn't disappoint. They offer 24/7 support via live chat and email. Additionally, Coinex has a vibrant community forum and a wealth of educational resources to help you get the most out of your trading experience. Having 24/7 support means you can get help whenever you need it. The community forum is also a great place to learn from other traders and share your experiences. Coinex is also committed to regulatory compliance. They have taken significant steps to meet requirements in various jurisdictions, ensuring a safe and legal trading environment for all users. This commitment to compliance helps build trust and ensures that Coinex remains a reliable platform for trading. So, what are the pros and cons of using Coinex? On the plus side, you have a wide range of cryptocurrencies, competitive trading fees, advanced security measures, and excellent customer support. On the downside, some users have noted that the sheer number of features can be overwhelming at first, and there are occasional regulatory challenges. Overall, the advantages far outweigh the disadvantages, making Coinex a top choice for crypto traders. Coinex has recently made significant updates and improvements, including an upgraded asset security system and enhanced brand value. These changes have positively impacted the overall user experience, making Coinex even more reliable and user-friendly. With these updates, Coinex continues to innovate and provide top-notch services for its users. To wrap things up, Coinex is a robust and reliable platform with a lot to offer. Whether you're new to crypto or a seasoned trader, Coinex has the tools and features to support your trading journey. Remember to use our Coinex referral code g69h3 when you sign up to enjoy some fantastic bonuses and reduced trading fees. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more crypto tips and reviews. Also, let us know in the comments if you've used Coinex and what your experience has been. Happy trading with Coinex. Until next time, happy trading with Coinex, and don't forget to use the referral code G69H3.